Hey everyone, welcome to our video. If you're tired of your Shark vacuum cleaner not performing as it used to, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to replace the belt on your Shark vacuum cleaner, so you can get back to enjoying a spotless home. Let's dive in. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Before we begin, make sure to disconnect your Shark vacuum cleaner from the power source for safety purposes. Additionally, gather the necessary tools. A replacement belt, a screwdriver, and a clean flat surface to work on. Let's take a closer look at the steps involved in replacing the belt on your Shark vacuum cleaner. Accessing the belt compartment. Start by flipping your Shark vacuum cleaner upside down. Locate the screws holding the bottom plate in place. Using a screwdriver, remove these screws to access the belt compartment. Set the screws aside, ensuring they don't get lost. Removing the worn-out belt. Once the bottom plate is removed, you'll see the brush roll and the old belt. To remove the old belt, gently lift the brush roll and slide it out of its housing. Then, carefully remove the belt from the brush roll and motor spindle. Installing the new belt. Take your new replacement belt and slide it onto the motor spindle. Ensure that it fits snugly and aligns with the belt tracks on the brush roll. Next, position the brush roll back into its housing, making sure it rotates freely. Reassembling the vacuum cleaner. With the new belt in place, it's time to reassemble your Shark vacuum cleaner. Secure the bottom plate back onto the vacuum cleaner body and reinsert the screws, tightening them firmly but not overly tight. Once the plate is securely attached, turn the vacuum cleaner upright. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.